Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to find the right figure skating coach for you or your child. Choosing the right figure skating coach can make a world of difference in your skating journey, whether you are aiming for recreational enjoyment or competitive success. The right coach will not only teach you the skills you need, but also motivate and inspire you. From certifications to teaching style, finding a coach that aligns with your goals is key. Here's how to start. Number 1. What to look for in a figure skating coach. When choosing a figure skating coach, consider their credentials, experience, and specialization. Look for coaches certified by organizations like US Figure Skating. Experience coaching at various skill levels is important, but so is a coach's ability to teach beginners or help athletes advance through the ranks. Specialization in specific skills, such as jumps or spins, can also be a deciding factor depending on your goals. Number 2. Private versus group lessons. Which is the best? Private lessons offer personalized attention, allowing skaters to progress faster and focus on specific areas like jumps or spins. These sessions are ideal for competitive skaters or those needing tailored guidance. Group lessons, on the other hand, provide a social environment where skaters can learn from peers, making them more affordable and less intense. Deciding between the two depends on your goals. Group lessons are great for beginners or casual skaters, while private lessons suit those aiming for higher level competition. Number 3. Expertise versus personality. What matters more? While a coach's technical expertise is crucial, their teaching style and personality can greatly impact your experience. A coach with a strong skating background but poor communication skills may hinder your progress, especially if they are unable to explain techniques in a way that clicks for you. A good coach should be approachable, encouraging, and able to adapt their teaching methods to suit different learning styles. Ultimately, a balance of both expertise and personality is key to building trust and achieving success on the ice. Number 4. How to find a coach that fits your needs. To find the right coach, start by contacting the front desk staff at the local clubs or ice rinks. They can provide information on available coaches, their specializations, and their schedules. Once you have identified potential coaches, set up a meeting to discuss their coaching style, availability, and fees. Observe how they work with students during a session to ensure their approach aligns with your or your child's goals. My name is Natalia Khazova. I work at the Broadmoor World Arena Olympic training site for over 25 years. As a coach at this prestigious center, I bring years of experience and expertise to help skaters of all levels refine their skills from mastering the basics to excelling in competitive skating. Choosing the right figure skating coach is a crucial step in reaching your goals, whether you are a beginner or an aspiring competitor. Factors like credentials, teaching style, and whether to choose private or group lessons all play a role in your decision. If you are ready to take your skating to the next level, contact me for a consultation and let's start your journey on the ice.